Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your banner in Apex Legends, all right? Even when playing on console, PC, whatever, you can do it, all right? Well, the first thing you need to do here is just go ahead and open up the game. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go ahead and go to Legends Locker, click on it. Now, you want to find the specific legend. For example, Lifeline. I'm just going to click on it. Now, as you can see, you can go ahead and edit the skins right here. And at the top, you'll have the option banners. All right, this is what we're looking for. So just go ahead and click on it. Now, as you can see here, if you have already unlocked these banners right here or frame, the frame of your banner, well, you can go ahead and select it. All right, you'll get these from events. You can also go ahead and select the poses right here. All right, as you can see, there are a ton of poses that needs to be unlocked, as well as the badges. All right, I'm going to scroll down. We have a battle pass right here. For example, I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to add it right here at the second tab, as you can see. And maybe I'm going to scroll again and maybe this one, I'm going to use it to the third vacant badge. All right, I'm going to click on it, as you can see. And you can also change the trackers right here. For example, the trackers like damage, kills, wins, and some other good stuffs. All right, as you can see here, Apex kills, and the art right here. You can also change that whenever it is unlocked. For example, here from season. All right, I'm going to select this one. As you can see, it is empty. I'm going to add it right here at the very top. And the second one, maybe at this. The third one, this one. That's basically how I do it. All right. Intro quip and kill quip right here. It's up to you. But that's basically how you change or edit your banner in the game. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.